Your system from BayAlarm Medical, the most important thing to do is pick the right location in your house. So you obviously needs to be near a phone line and it needs to be near electrical power. But other than that, you want to find a central location where you're most likely to be able to communicate through that base station speakerphone from any place that you might get injured. So if you have a really long house, you want to make sure it's in the middle. If you spend most of your time at one end of the house and very little at the other, put it where you spend the time and put it where you think you're more likely to have a medical event or some kind of emergency. When you set it up, when you put the unit down and plug it in and get it all set to go, what you want to do then, and this is all in the BayAlarm medical instructions, is you want to test it from different parts of the house. It is really okay to test it, and it calls the monitoring center. That's okay, that's what they're there for. You can test it and make sure that you can hear and talk to the monitoring center from different locations in your house. That is really the most important thing to have success with this kind of unit. The unit itself is really well made. It's not going to fail on you. The buttons have been tested for years and years and years. They work, but making sure that you've got the setup in the right place where the communication will be effective. That's the single most important thing, and that's why we test.